Hello students, in today's class of marketing, I am going to tell the last category in the first method, demand oriented pricing, and the last category, fourth point is penetration price policy. Before it, I discuss perceived value pricing, differential pricing, skimming pricing, and last penetration price policy. It is also the one of the methods in demand oriented price. Penetration price policy is just opposite of skimming pricing. Just recall this, in skimming price policy we set high price initially and low according to time, but it is just opposite. It means first we set low price in penetration pricing. Penetration means to go inside in a new market. Penetration means to enter. The dictionary meaning of penetration is to enter somewhere. It means penetration price policy is opposite to the concept of skimming price strategy. The penetration price intends to help the product penetrate into market to hold a position. This can be done only by adopting a low price. Just remember, skimming pricing, in skimming pricing we set high price, in penetration pricing we set low price. Okay, in the initial time period. Initial means beginning, in the beginning, or till such time the product is finally accepted by customer. This is an attempt to set new product price low related to the cost. In this method, according to cost we set price and it is set low. Always remember, in penetration price policy we set initially the price of product low, कम रखना है स्टार्टिंग में. It involves setting low initial price to establish market share, prompt the competition, and or to capitalize production economies, means large scale production. Okay, why do we set low price? Because we are doing large scale production and we are having production economies. Always remember, whenever we do large scale production we always sell the product on low price. Okay, in large scale production. So due to low pricing we will have great market share because customer will come to us as our prices are low, and we will prompt the competition. It means we will make the competition fast. Competitors will go away from us because we are having low price and customer will come to us. Similarly, we will have good sales and we will capitalize in large scale production. So by setting low initial price the competitors are kept away. Okay, competitors दूर हो जाएंगे and this makes possible for the firm to enlarge. Enlarge means increase its market share by generating large sales volume. Okay, now we are having more sales, so we can increase large number of customers, or we can increase or enlarge market share. This method of pricing is most common. Okay, usually we use this method and is desirable. Okay, where we use this method when sales volume of product is very sensitive to price. Okay, it means when price affect demand, as it is the method of demand oriented pricing. So here price is very sale or demand is very sensitive to price. When a large volume of sales is to be affected, when product faces a threat means a danger from competitors, and when stability of price is important. Okay, this method is used when demand is having sensitive relationship with price, means if price is high demand will be low, if price is low demand is high, then this method will be used. Okay, and also when competition is so much then we have to set low price. When we have to fix price then low pricing is fine. Okay, the conditions favoring penetration pricing policies are, means let's understand the conditions in which we can set low price or penetration pricing. First one, where the demand is relatively elastic. Elastic means changeable according to price, means when demand, as above we talked about, when sales volume is sensitive to price. Similarly, when demand is relatively elastic to price, it means demand will change according to price. If price is high demand is low, if price is low demand is high. That's called demand elasticity or elasticity of demand. So when demand is relatively elastic to price, so penetration pricing can be used to attract the customers and to increase market share. Second, where the firm is depending on low price to attract more customers to new product. Okay, when firm wants to attract more and more customers, so obviously we will have to set low price. Okay, where large economies are possible, large scale production is possible, means whenever we do large scale production means we are making product in large quantity, then we can manage low price. Next, where there is a strong threat or danger of competition. Yes, obviously when competition is very much, means the same products you are making is same with the competitor also, means competitor is also making the same product. So in that way, if your prices will high, you will lose customer. If your prices are less, customer will come to us. So in that way you can beat competition, you can be in the competition. So when strong competition, cutthroat competition is there in market, penetration pricing is a good method. Last, when substitutes or replacement product is available in the market, very easy. It means when same products are available in other shops, in other competition with other competitors also, then customer will not buy your products if your prices are high. Substitute goods are those goods which are just the same of each other. For example, Pepsi and Coca-Cola. Simply if price of Pepsi will increase, customer will buy Coca-Cola because both are doing same thing, both are substitutes of each other, as both are cold drinks. Okay, so when substitute products are there, means same products are available with other competitors, other shopkeepers, then who will buy your product if your price is high? So when substitute or replacement product is available in the market, then it's very good to have penetration pricing, it means low pricing. Just remember, skimming is high pricing, penetration is low pricing. Both of these methods are very important, skimming and penetration. Go through them, learn them, these are very important. Okay, thank you for listening. Next I will discuss in other video.